Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Methuselah from Godzilla King of the Monsters. Now I want to start drawing some more of these different titans in different poses. If you guys have any ideas for different titans and different styles, definitely let me know and I'll try my best to draw them. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Methuselah Titan, we're going to begin with a face. So I'm going to start right over here, and we're just going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to come down, and it's going to come back like this for the eye. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to go down and up. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and down. And we can bring this line back a little bit. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up at an angle, and it's going to come straight up at an angle as well. Then we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to make it come straight down. Now I'm going to make some kind of pointed, jagged little lines on here. And we're going to make this line come up, and then it's going to go over. We're going to make this line come up again and then back. Starting here, we're going to draw this line down, and we're going to kind of curve it down a little bit. We're going to make some kind of more little jagged pointy lines, and we'll make it come out a little bit farther than the top of the mouth here. Then we'll bring it in and we'll come straight down. Next we're going to bring this line back to here. Now let's move to the top because we're going to want to put a nice horn in over here. So we're going to come up here and I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and down, and then we're going to make another one that's going to kind of go up to a point and then down. Now starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to come down, and we're going to curve it right up to about here. Next we're going to take this, we're going to make it nice and skinny at first, and we're going to bring this around, and we're going to get bigger and bigger as we come in. We can make it a little jagged as well. Bring this line into here. Then I'm going to bring this line in, and we're going to come up. And we'll bring this line over. Next, we're making another kind of pointed line, and I'm going to just add a couple little lines over here to show where there's kind of like a bend. Now, I'm going to start here more at the bottom first with him. So we're going to take this line, we're going to jump over the horn, and we're going to make it come out just a little bit. So we're just going to kind of come down and over. Starting here, we're going to draw this line, we're going to come down, and we just want to bring it in a little bit. Then we're going to bring this line down again. And this time we're going to come down, and then we're going to go in. We're going to bring this line straight across, and then we're going to bring it up to a point, and then we're going to come down. Make a line that's going to go up and down, and another one that's going to come up, and it's going to go in. And we'll add a little line that's going to go up and in too, just to kind of show where there's a little bit of a bend. We're making another line that's going to come up to a point and then down. It's kind of like he walks on his knuckles, really similar to the Behemoth Titan. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to go straight up like this. We're going to bring this up and curve it in. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it up. Now we'll work on the back leg. So starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to angle it back. See, it's kind of like a boomerang shape. It goes down, and then it comes back. We're going to bring this line straight down. And right here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down at an angle. Next, we'll bring this back. And we'll add another line that just goes down. We'll come down at an angle and then back, just to show where there's two different toes. Now right here, we're going to bring this up. And then we're going to go over. We're going to add a line that's going to come up and then in just a little bit. We'll add another little line here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and in. Now, starting here for the tail, we'll just draw a little line that's just going to come down. It's going to curve out towards the end of our paper. Next, we're just going to bring this up to about here. Now, to start off with Methuselah's back, there's going to be a lot of different kind of points and jagged lines on here, because it's almost like he's a mountain. So you just want to kind of make it however you want to. We're just going to start off with kind of like the back of it, and then we're going to come and do all the inside stuff. So to start here, we're just going to make some kind of little pointed jagged lines. You can see they're just kind of going up and then down. We're going to make them different sizes. We want them to be the tallest at the very top. You can make them kind of go behind each other as well. And we just want to make them all different sizes. So I like to start inside a little bit and then come down. And we're just going to add these all the way until we get to the tail. Now, once you have these, we want to come in here and add some of the ones on the inside. So I'm just going to make some different ones on here, just some tall pointed ones. You can make them go behind each other too. And we're just kind of making these upside down V shapes all over in here. And we're just going to kind of fill up the area just so it looks really kind of jagged and pointed. And you want to make them different sizes as well. And we're going to stop kind of right about at this area. So here's our basic shape of Methuselah. Now we just want to come in here and add all the different details. So since we're making these, let's continue with the spikes down the tail. So we're just going to make some of these different size triangle shapes coming down the tail. We're going to make them a little bit smaller as they get towards the end. We're going to make some kind of long, kind of broken little lines here. And we're going to make some little curved lines right here. Make some curved lines here coming up. And a couple little broken lines right along here. We want to make some long lines coming across the arms here. And we're going to do them on both sides. We're going to make some long lines coming down. And we're also going to put some claws on here too. I'm going to add some extra little lines right here on the horns and some little broken lines on here for some details. And we'll add some extra little lines here. Make some long lines right above the eye and some little longer lines where the teeth and everything are. And a few long lines kind of right around the mouth. We're going to add some more little sideways lines and lines going up and down kind of right along the chest. And then right here on the toes, let's add some little curved lines. I like to add a couple little curved lines right around where some of the arms and legs meet. Then we're going to make some more little long lines right around here. Now, up here on the spikes, I like to add some little lines that come down, and I like to add some little lines on each side of here. This just kind of makes it look a little bit more jagged and realistic. And we're just going to kind of put these all along here. And we're just going to kind of add some different ones all around here. And this just kind of makes it a little bit more realistic, makes it look like they're kind of three-dimensional. So all I do is just kind of put all these little lines on each side. And there you go, there is your drawing of Methuselah. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.